Hi, my loves. It's your girl, Mally. I'm going to show you how to cover that zit. Rude. Okay, first things first, I'm taking my Stressless Foundation in tan, and I'm going to take it and put it kind of all over the area just to get an even tone. I obviously have done my whole face already, guys, but here we go. So all of a sudden, you're going to see it's already making a difference. This is my Plush Pen Concealer in tan, and I'm going to take, here's a hack, a lip brush. Something that you can make really flat and go in and literally tap it only on the zit. Only on the zit, not around it. If it looks a little lighter like that, take your finger and just press it in, and it will marry with the foundation. Take a powder foundation. This is my Softest Silk in tan, and just press it on top. Don't swipe, don't buff. Pat it in. Pack it in. Woo. Set with Face Defender for a flawless finish. Hello, what's it?